Okay, here we have the E55 with the transmission. What are you talking about? Which seat gasket?
Yes.
This is a torque plate. What is that? From where do you find it?
It was on my keyboard. I thought you left it there.
No, it's not mine. It's not mine. Give it to Annie to see to who belong. It's nice, not bad. Okay, so gentlemen, what are you doing here? Where's the transmission? Ah, you didn't put the transmission yet?
Yeah.
You're putting the headers?
Yeah.
Okay, so the customer, he went all in. Oh boy, oh boy. So the gentlemen here, they're installing the headers. Okay, you install also the transmission mounts.
Yeah.
You're gonna have some vibrations. It's a little bit stronger, these engine mounts. They're not so soft. They're not hydraulic. You understand that, okay? What else? What else needs to be done here, Mr. Omar?
We need to change the engine mount.
Engine mounts, they changed already. They put the aftermarket.
And the dry shot rubber coupler.
The headers don't need to connect it completely because it has to come out again to be welded. So 4 bolts from this side, 4 bolts from that side. You are using the old gaskets, right?
That's what I guess.
Yeah, it's no worries about them. So these are the old gaskets, okay? At the end, when they finish the welders with exhaust, then you're gonna use the new gaskets, okay? Need to check a little bit the gap for the spark plugs. The transmission mount, yes, this is for the seals. Transmission mount, yes, I know. Listen up. All the stock parts is going back to the customer. Because maybe he wants later on, let's say, to put back again. I don't know. Including the spark plugs, the gaskets, everything. You're gonna take care about that.
Coupler also we change.
Drive setup, yeah, I saw it yesterday, was a little bit tired. Let's go to see the transmission. Why I'm saying that? Because they changed.
The new one there, okay?
Which one?
The dry shot rubber coupler, they already installed the new one.
It's the nouveau. Get a hammer, it's a Ferrari. Get a hammer.
No, show him, bro, show him.
Wait. I'm joking, eh? So, here the guys, they changed the drive shaft rubber coupler. It was a little bit tired, to be honest. Okay. I forgot to show you the nut yesterday. Yeah, okay, that's a nut on the outboard shaft. They put also the aftermarket transmission mount. You see, it's one Teflon there inside. Don't expect to be smooth the ride. It's not a rubber soft. It's gonna produce some vibrations. I'm saying that again. Okay, it's not gonna be the ideal for a daily use, if you ask me. But that's me. Anyhow, so I already put also the torque converter. I empty the oil that has the torque converter. I use some fresh oil inside. I shake it and then I'm emptying it again. Good luck with this one. I hope to be okay. I hope also the TCU to be okay. We're gonna find out at the end. So for now, transmission staying here. The guys, they're fixing the headers here. Okay. You have to put also the transmission. So to run the pipes, you know, to have correct clearance to see everything. You know, so after you put the headers, then the transmission, then you're gonna call the welders to move on. You change also the rear drive shaft rubber coupler?
Yeah.
Ah, new, eh? Nice, beautiful. Looking good. Excellent. What remaining now? LSD? No, he doesn't want LSD, this customer. They told me something about the smaller pulley on the supercharger.
Yeah, this one later.
They said also, okay, much better to make it step by step. Yes, it's much better to do it, not to do it all at once. It's much better, let us say, okay, you fix this one, then you're going to the next step, you know. I believe also he need fuel injectors.
Yeah, he say also fuel injector.
Smaller pulley and
the
throttle.
Pump. And the pump also.
Which pump? Intercooler pump.
Intercooler pump.
Intercooler pump,
We
it's...
want to change to also upgrade the intercooler.
And the heater core, the heat exchange there. He has a stock one. Yeah, it's a stock one. It's a stock one.
What you did with the other engine?
From Netherlands.
Netherlands, you want to do the exact same thing.
Yeah, okay. All right. Not bad. We did anything else on this car? No.
No.
He needs also the seals for the covers. They are up. Oh, dang it. I don't have a paint. When you finish and you put the steering axle back again inside, before you turn the steering wheel, before you even start the car, we're gonna make ignition on. I'm gonna connect the diagnostic to read the steering angle sensor up to see that we are okay, to don't destroy anything up. Okay, this is what we are doing all the time. And I see the positive for the starter. It's passing through the stud of the headers. Remove it and put it properly down. I'm talking about here, this one. Yeah, this one. All right. So don't touch that like that. Nice, beautiful. To be there. Don't have any headache. Beautiful, nice, clean. Well done, gentlemen. Well done. Now, what's your problem over there?
Bro, I want to go Italy.
Yeah, if you don't remove this, if you don't remove the battery, it will never gonna come out. No matter what are you gonna do, except if you cut in the middle. You're laughing. Take a look at face. Take a look at face.
No, I don't want to touch this hybrid.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, good luck, Mr. Omar. Good luck, Mr. Nofo.